Today we're going to be taking a look at how you can fade to black in DaVinci Resolve 18, and this is really easy. So all we've done here is we've opened up our project. We just got a simple video on the timeline just to demonstrate how to do this. You no longer have to go into effects and use an effect like dip to color. All you do now is you just simply click on your video on your timeline. And if you see down here on the end of the timeline, near where our marker is, you're going to see like this white object, like half a circle kind of thing, and what you're going to do is you're going to pull that in, and as you see, we're getting a slight fade, like there's a black shadow almost going over, and the little object is turned red now. We pull this up to where we want our fade to go, so let's see, we'll just do a dramatic fade just to show you how it works. We'll just mute the audio on that, and now once we've, as you can see, there it is on the timeline. If we hover over it, we can see where our marker is. If we play it, you'll see now we've hit that area that we're going for a dramatic fade. You can stretch this as long as you want across your timeline. As you can see now, we're going into a really slow fade here. But yeah, that's how you do a fade to black in DaVinci Resolve 18. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helps. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.